BarooBoos.
Good morning, guys. Come on, let's eat. Come on. Hey, Zulu, where's your brother? Come on, Zinj. There you go, bud. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, you guys ready? You guys ready to eat breakfast? Oh, yeah, they're ready for breakfast. All right. All right, we're gonna make it breakfast, okay? Oh, time for some coffee. All right. Whew. So we've got the coffee, and then we got the Basenji in the chair here. So now the trick is to move you over enough to get me in the chair too. Little sleepy. There you go. Stay. There we go. Mission accomplished. Basenji and coffee. Come on, Zulu. Let's go, girl. Come on, your turn. Get her, Zinj! Get her! There you go. That's nice. You guys play nice together. All right, let's take a look at that action again in slow motion. It's amazing how these dogs move. You really can't appreciate it till you slow the video way down, but look at the agility. Look at the force. It looks like they're trying to kill each other, but they're having a ball. You can see that they love each other. I love the way Zen just swats at Zulu like that. Right there, he looks like a wild cat in Africa going after a gazelle. And she's like, help, help, what am I gonna do? He keeps swatting her, but she's just loving it. Love the way she spins too. Now here they get into a hugging match. He's got her what appears to be by the neck, but obviously it's very gentle. He'll hold on for a moment or two. It's not nearly as long as it seems because this is like 1/4 speed. But then you'll see he just lets go and it just continues. It's just amazing to see how they play when they get into it. And right here, you'll see that they stop and they reset. You can see they love each other.